Differentiate cos inverse of e to the power x with respect to x. Okay. I will take this as y. Okay. Answer. So let y is equal to cos inverse of e to the power of x. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x means we have to find dy by dx. Take d by dx on both sides. First, so d by dx of this y, okay, is equal to again d by dx of this part, cos inverse of e to the power of x. Okay, so I have taken d by dx on both sides, this side and this side. Okay. Next, see, we have standard formula for differentiation of dy dx of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is square. Okay, x square. This is the standard formula we have. But here in place of x we have e to the power of x. Okay. If here we have just x, we can directly use this formula. Okay. But the thing is here we have, instead of x we have another function e to the power of x. So that means we have to use the chain rule. Chain rule means, before that I will show, then you will understand what is chain rule. Now first what you have to do, since we have another function, first we have to find d by dx of this whole thing, cos inverse of e to the power of x, using this. Okay, so d by before, no, wait. Okay, so whole thing, see, cos inverse of e to the power x. So d by dx of this whole thing will be in this form. First I will write this same. Minus 1 is there, it is constant, write as it is, square root of 1 minus here. In place of x we have e to the power of x. So e to the power of x whole square. Okay. Now we have differentiated whole thing with respect to x using this formula. Now in the next step, okay, you write here is equal to write this first, minus 1 by square root of 1 minus e to the power of x, okay, whole square. Now according to the chain rule, put into, now consider only this part. Okay, so differentiate that, d by dx of e to the power of x. See here, this is we got after using the chain rule. Chain rule means when two functions are there, here cos inverse is there, e to the power x is there, that time you have to differentiate whole thing. We will get this, that you write into, then you take this separately, this e to the power x function separately, you take d by dx of that. Now we have a formula, okay, a formula for this e to the power x. So d by dx of e to the power x is equal to e to the power of x only. Okay. So I will write here this, you keep as it is, minus 1 by square root of 1 minus e to the power of x whole square into, so d by dx of e to the x is this. This is the formula. So e to the power of x. In the next job, here minus 1 is there, e to the power x is there. Here nothing means 1 is there. So this and this are numerators, this and this are denominators. So multiply numerator separately. Okay. So minus 1 into e to the power of x minus e to the power of x. Now multiply, sorry, here on bar is there, I am sorry. This and this, square root of 1 minus e to the power x whole square into 1, we get this only. So square root of 1 minus e to the power of x whole square. Now, so we have a formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So you take this part e to the power of x whole square. So e to the power of x whole square. So using this formula, according to this formula, a e will write as it is. In place of mn we have x and 2. Mn means m into n means x into 2. So okay, x into 2, that is equal to e to the power of x into 2 is 2x. Okay, so now write this part as it is, this part as it is, minus e to the power of x whole divided by square root of 1 minus e to the x whole square. In place of this we got this, write that. So e to the power of 2x. Okay. Now this is the final answer. Okay. So after differentiating this cos inverse of e to the power x with respect to x, we got this. This is the answer. Okay. Hey, thank you. Click on subscribe.